Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be getting some sort of organization underneath the kitchen sink. It's been a long time coming, and my daughter currently will pull everything out and I just throw everything back in there because it's a daily routine. So I want to get some sort of organization and maybe a child-proof lock as well, especially because there are some chemicals down here that she really shouldn't be getting into. But there are some products that we really just don't use anymore, so I need to go ahead and get rid of some of those as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it.
And let the fun begin. I always start by pulling everything out to see what I have to then go ahead and organize. How do you go ahead and start your organization?
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again.
I used to change out my Febreze per season or holiday, but because there's so many chemicals in there, I haven't even used them, so bye-bye.
I'd like to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I could go for this, no more.
The camera doesn't do any justice on seeing all the dirt, but I'm going to just use my vinegar spray with my e-cloth to wipe everything down. And you did see me just go ahead and tuck up that hose to the sprayer that's attached to our faucet.
We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with. That I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign.
There is a lot of stuff here. Some of the stuff in the back is garbage. All that stuff I'm going to be getting rid of. Probably get rid of one of the easy offs. And some of the other stuff I can put in different locations around the house. So I'm going to go ahead and start organizing.
I just want to start by saying I don't know why all of the organization material is just super expensive. But I got this one at Walmart. I think it was about $10. And of course, the sticker did not come off completely. So I'm just going to take care of that later because I'm in a time crunch. But I liked this idea for the garbage bags. And then this is actually a bathroom organizer that I found at Target. I think it was about $22. And you'll see that I'm going to use it for my sponges.
Give me a sign, oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Baby, if you've been texting me, where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign.
I wanted to add my Brillo pads here too, but I knew that they would make a mess, so I just cut a Ziploc bag to put in the bottom and poured them in that.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
I also only use glass cutting boards. I've tried a couple different ones and I just feel like they are grimy. I've also had this tart burner for a while and I just don't burn candles anymore, but this is a Yankee Candle scent Lilac. It is my favorite, so I did keep the votives.
We went to a small bar with me.
I'm so happy with how everything turned out. I have so much space underneath the sink now, almost too much space. So go ahead and comment below what items you put below your sink to maybe see if there's any other things that I can add. Say thank you so much for watching. Say thank you. See you in the next one.
Even if you try